So why does CPS remove children from homes of parents? Top reasons why they remove. Here's the most important thing. CPS, their job, Child Protective Services, their job is to investigate neglect, severe neglect, abuse, or severe abuse. Upon their investigation, if they have reason to believe that there is enough evidence that there's a safety concern, then they will make a decision to remove. However, just because they have identified severe neglect, severe abuse and etc., or inappropriate touching, they still have to make reasonable efforts to keep the children in the parental's care. Because again, you're interfering with some sort of key constitutional right, and that essentially is a fundamental right to keep the family preserved together. And the state cannot just unnecessarily interfere with parental affairs with the children unless they have a good reason to do so. So that's why the goal that the county and or the state or CPS must utilize is reasonable efforts to prevent removal. Did they exercise alternative options to minimize the trauma of removal, such as creating a safety plan, having one parent leave the household, having another relative come into place, filing a restraining order, and etc. The goal is to figure out what the issue is and see if they can still keep the children together if they were to put a temporary fix pending the CPS court proceedings. If you are facing a CPS potential removal or your children has already been removed, it's important that you contact the California CPS defense attorney immediately so that firm could be there, advocate for you, but also properly advise you what to expect. Everything's going to happen very fast upon the removal. You're going to have a very limited amount of days, between 2 to 3 days, in terms of making a decision. Contact us at Shaw 3 Law Firm so we can advocate for you and be there. We're here to help.